Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So this is the time for the weekly quiz. Yes, you should know that weekly environmental science quiz is conducted on this platform every Monday. So this quiz is conducted to test your knowledge about environmental science and prepare yourself for the environmental science entrance examination. So if you want to participate, you have to follow certain rules and you can also win prizes along with certificates. So let's see what are the rules for this quiz contest. So these are the rules for the quiz contest which one must read before proceeding for the quiz. Yes, these points are very important, and from this point I would like to say some of the important points. Number 1 is you must answer in this format which is given in the quiz rule, and the number 2 is one top performer every month will be awarded, as I said, with the prize and certificate. So you should participate much more to increase your chances of winning the monthly top performer. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first question is, which among the following is world's largest mangrove forest? And the 4 options are on your screen. So you'll get certain seconds to think about the correct option. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is, various varieties of rice are found in India. So this existence of different varieties of rice is an example of what kind of diversity? Time is running out. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is, there are 2 statements given about the National Green Corridor Program, that is NGCP. The first statement is, it is not implemented by the Power Grid Corporation of India. The second statement is, the project aims to facilitate the flow of renewable energy into the national grid. So you have to select which of these statements are correct. Let's move on to the next question. The fourth question is, mulching as a farming practice is helpful in which of the following process? So the process are seed germination, improvement of soil structure, increasing the soil fertility, moisture conservation, and control of pests. So you have to select the correct option. Time is running out. Let's move to the next question. The fifth question is, which of the following are the harmful effects of carbon monoxide exposure? So the 2 statements are, number 1, shortness of breath, that is the effect, and second one is the causes of unconsciousness. So you have to select the correct answer from the codes given below. Let's move to the 6th question. So I would suggest you to write all the options in a pen and paper because it will be easier for you to write in the comment section as soon as the quiz is over. So the 6th question is, automobiles do not release which of the following pollutants? Time for the next question. The next question is, the rhododendrons are found in which of the following forest types? So these are the plant species and you have to identify correctly where they exist. So think about them correctly. Let's move to the next question. The 8th question is, again 2 statements are given according to the grassland ecosystem, and the statements are, in grassland ecosystem the rainfall is about 25 to 75 cm per year. The second statement given about the grassland system is, in India they are found mainly in the Deccan Plateau. So by considering these 2 statements about grassland ecosystem, you have to select the correct option given below. Let's move to the 9th question. The 9th question is, the concept of sustainable development was described by which of the following? And the options are Rio Summit, Agenda 21, Brundtland Commission report, or none of the above. So we are moving towards the final question of this quiz contest. The final question is, the Neknampur Lake, which is the largest floating treatment wetland in our country, is situated in which of the following places? So think about this correctly. End of this quiz contest. Hurry up guys and write all the options in the comment section. And tomorrow we will reveal the results for this quiz contest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get further updates. See you guys in our next video.